In this video, we are going to look at the steps to move a picture of a document from a paper scan folder or a file that can be uploaded to TK20. And so what I have here is TK20. I'm going to take a picture that I have here, which is a picture that we have from a Houston Money Week event that we did. So we're going to take this picture and then I'm going to make sure that we save it. So we're going to save the picture as, I got this from my email, so I'm going to save it here as desktop. And then we'll just save it as FBR_8641. So I click save, and so now I have a copy of this picture saved. Okay, any place that I want to put a picture or a document or a scan, a PDF into TK20, what I need to do is I need to navigate to where I want it to be. And so I'm using a test server, and we are looking at a UE test PD1 binder looking. So I'm going to go to a candidate reflection sheet. And so anywhere inside TK20 where I can upload, file upload, I'm going to see information here. Okay, there are two ways for me to get information uploaded. The first one is I could either take the file and I can drag and drop it here. This I would be able to do if I was using Chrome only. In Edge it does not work. And so I'm gonna scroll on down and then let's reopen. Then I've grabbed the picture to my other screen. I'm gonna come and I'm gonna drag and drop the file there, and you can see it's uploaded. So that's one way to work. Again, what I did was I took the file from the desktop here and I dragged it over and I dropped it into that area, and you see that the upload was successful. Again, this only works in Chrome, not in Edge. The second way I can do it is I can hit select file. And if I hit select file, it's going to bring me up a bunch of information, and I can go find whatever picture or document I want to upload into TK20. And so I'll double click on that upload right there, and you see that the picture is uploaded. And then when I click add, that is what is going to save the information to TK20 for us there. So again, the big steps of getting a scan or a file or a picture into TK20, the first is you need to get the file or picture downloaded into a folder or to a desktop. Look, number one. And then number two is going to be taking it and then uploading it to TK20.